Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a beer dye table. Start by collecting labeled samples, a light source, clear containers, and consistent sample volumes. Place samples side by side on a neutral background and photograph or view against a white card. Record observations, note differences in hue and intensity, and log results for each sample. This simple setup helps you compare batches and track color changes over time with confidence. Gather identical clear containers, a neutral white background, consistent lighting, labels, and a camera or phone for documentation. Measure equal sample volumes and pour them gently to avoid foam that alters appearance. Keep room lighting steady and avoid direct sunlight to prevent shifts in perceived color. Use a color chart or software for precise readings if desired, but simple visual comparison works well for most homebrewers tracking batch. Pour equal amounts into labeled containers and set them on your white background in a single row. Position your camera or phone at eye level, avoiding reflections and shadows, then photograph each arrangement for records. Note brewing parameters like gravity, hop additions, and any coloring agents used. Compare hues and intensity side by side, and update your log after each batch, so you can spot trends and tweak recipes based on reliable visual data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.